everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Today I will walk you through the simple steps to create your very own Domino's account so you can start ordering delicious pizzas right away with ease and save money on your next order. First step is to visit Domino's website or app. Open your browser, navigate to your search engine and go to www.dominos.com. Or download the Dominos app from the Play Store or App Store. On the homepage, look for the sign in option, usually on the top right corner. If you already have an account, then simply fill up your credentials and tap continue. But for now, we are trying to create an account, so tap join now. So this is the actual registration page. Here, fill up your credentials like your name, your email address. Re-enter your email address to confirm, your phone number, create a strong password. Here re-enter your password to confirm. So here tap the checkbox according to your preferences, and once you're done, tap join now. You may receive a verification email or SMS. Follow the instructions to verify your account. Once logged in, explore the menu, save your favorite pizzas and check for deals exclusive to account holders. But yes, you need to use a valid email to avoid missing order confirmations or promotional offers. Save your delivery address to speed up checkout next time and enable notifications to get alerts on discounts or special promotions. And there you have it. You will now be able to create a Domino's account, which means you're all set to enjoy pizza anytime with a few taps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.